Range to starboard vessel 40 yards, opening.
So we've just come out of Jakarta. Jakarta's quite a challenge. It's quite a tight harbour to get in and out of. There's lots of traffic coming in and out, more so than we're used to in and out of a port like Sydney.
Range to starboard vessel 35 yards, steady.
You really have to be on your toes, watching where they go, and sitting into the traffic. It's like a big roundabout. You know, you're looking at hundreds of contacts as opposed to 20 or 30. The size of some of them, compared to what, you know, we left Australia and we were one of the biggest ships around going into the harbour. We dwarfed Sydney Harbour and you know, we hied Fort Denison, but coming up here we're just a small ship compared to some of them.
Stand slowly coming to port.
We've got quite a good team on here that work together, from the lookouts to the officer of the watch who runs the chart. I'll drive, the captain will stand at the front of the bridge and give direction, and the executive officer will stand next to me, making sure that what I'm saying to the captain is actually what I'm doing. Trying to operate those pods requires a fair bit of hand-eye coordination, so the XO and I really work together to make sure that the ship's doing what we want it to do, and we can get it alongside.